Hello, this is Biscuit Farms. These birds, yeah, they just started laying, as you can see. People think poultry farming is all that. The poultry farming is not difficult. These are the basic things you need to start your poultry business. If you want to be, if you want to become a poultry farmer, you have to follow this basic principle. Number one, you have to be financially sound. Two, you have to get time. And three, you have to know that poultry is a business. People think it's a passion, but me, I see it as a business. It's something that you have to make profit out of. So these are the things you have to know. And aside that, you have to make sure you put proper measures in place. You have to obey simple biosecurity measures. Yes, you don't have to compromise with the feeding, your medication, your vaccination. Yeah, so you have to take things serious. As you can see, I'm doing the litter, and my litters are very dry. Yes, look at the litters, they are not wet at all. So you have to keep the coop clean and tidy for your birds. Proper ventilation. See, proper ventilation. There must be inflow and outflow of air in the coop. These are not only my birds. Even though I started with 70 birds 2 years ago, and now I'm having over 1,000 birds in my farm here. This is Biscuit Farm. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I also have another batch here. These are batch are 700 in the coop, and they are 14 weeks old. They will start laying very soon. Typically, we call these birds local birds, but I don't see them as local birds. They are just dual purpose birds. We use them for both egg and meat. They are very good layers, and they will give you very good meat as well. I also have another batch here. Come with me, come and see. I have another. They are just 4 weeks old. If you want to learn poultry, just DM me, yeah, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you day to day. I will still I will be updating you on how you can run your farm successfully without any challenges. These are 4 weeks old. As you can see, they are very active, very active. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.